Which liquid chalk is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, EVMT Brands Liquid Chalk 4-pack. Let's kick things off with the EVMT Brands Liquid Chalk, priced at $22.95. What caught my attention was its impressive 4.6-star rating from over 4,200 reviews. If you want a reliable grip that lasts through your intense lifting sessions, this is worth a serious look. This liquid chalk is designed to outperform traditional powder chalk. It stays on longer and resists wear, which means you can focus on your lifts rather than worrying about your grip. It absorbs sweat efficiently, ensuring that your hands stay dry, giving you the strong grip you need on weights, bars, and equipment. Plus, it's mess-free. Many gyms allow liquid chalk but ban loose chalk, so this is a fantastic option for gym goers. Now, some people mention that the price might be a bit steep compared to regular chalk. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about lifting and want consistent performance without the mess, this is a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you lift regularly and need something that keeps your hands dry and secure. Skip this one if you're just starting out and not ready to invest. For the price, you're getting quality that can enhance your lifting experience. Now, if the price of the EVMT Brands Liquid Chalk bothered you, the next option is more budget-friendly. Product number 2, EVMT Brands Liquid Chalk 2-pack. Next up, we have another great offering from EVMT Brands, this time a 2-pack priced at $15.95. With the same stellar 4.6-star rating and over 4,200 reviews, it's clear this brand knows what it's doing. If you're looking for a solid grip without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for all those grip-intensive sports like weightlifting, gymnastics, and rock climbing. You get the same mess-free experience, which is a huge plus in any gym setting. However, some users felt that the 2-pack didn't last as long as they expected. But honestly, with the price point and the performance it delivers, it's hard to complain too much. You can always stock up. This is ideal for you if you're lifting regularly but want to keep costs down. Skip this option if you prefer larger quantities for heavy training days. Overall, it provides great value for money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something a bit different. Product number 3, Chalkless Grip Enhancer. Now let's check out the Chalkless Grip Enhancer at $24. This one caught my eye because it's a premium liquid chalk alternative that promises less mess. It's rated 4.6 stars with nearly 1,000 reviews. If you want a cleaner option for your workouts, this one might just be what you need. The chalkless formula is designed to absorb oils and repel moisture, giving you a consistent grip without the chalky residue. It's perfect if you're into powerlifting, yoga, or even gaming. The patented granular formula works into your skin, providing a reliable grip while keeping your appearance professional. Now, some users mention that it takes a bit to get used to the application compared to traditional chalk. But honestly, once you find your groove with it, the mess-free experience can be a game changer. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a no-mess solution for various activities. Skip this one if you prefer traditional chalk's feel and texture. For its unique approach, the price is quite reasonable. Let's transition to the next option, which goes back to the classic chalk experience. Product number 4, EVMT Brands Liquid Chalk Single. Next on our list is the EVMT Brands Liquid Chalk in a single pack for just $9.92. It maintains the same fantastic rating as the other EVMT products, making it a great choice if you want to try liquid chalk without a big commitment. If you're just starting out or lifting occasionally, this is worth a serious look. This option provides all the benefits of the brand's liquid chalk, like quick drying and sweat absorption. It helps keep your grip strong during lifts so you can focus on your performance. Plus, the smaller size makes it super portable, perfect for gym bags or travel. However, some users felt that it might not last as long as larger bottles if you lift frequently. But honestly, it's a great entry point if you're curious about liquid chalk without investing too much. This is ideal for you if you're a casual lifter or looking to test out liquid chalk for the first time. Skip this if you're a heavy lifter who needs more product. At this price, You get a quality option without spending a fortune. Now, if you want something with a bit more volume, our last product might just be what you're looking for. Product number 5, OUTTDOZ Pro Grade Liquid Chalk. Finally, we have the OUTTDOZ Pro Grade Liquid Chalk available for $15.99. This one has a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 1,000 reviews. If you're training regularly and need something that can keep up with your demands, this is definitely worth considering. This liquid chalk comes in a larger 12 Oz bottle, perfect for athletes who train often. It has a thick formula designed to reduce hand slippage, which is crucial during heavy lifts or intense workouts. It dries quickly and is mess-free, making it a cleaner option for your workouts. Plus, you can choose between sizes to fit your routine better. Some users reported that the thicker consistency can be a bit tricky to apply if you're not used to it. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's a minor issue compared to the grip it provides. This is perfect for you if you're someone who lifts frequently and wants a reliable option that lasts. Skip this if you're a beginner or just lift occasionally. With its price and performance, it offers great value for regular trainers. So to wrap things up, we've covered 5 great liquid chalk options. The EVMT brand's 4-pack for serious lifters, the budget-friendly 2-pack from the same brand, the mess-free chalkless grip enhancer for a cleaner workout, the single-pack EVMT option for newcomers, and the OUTTDOZ Pro Grade for regular training. Each brings something unique to the table depending on your needs. Choose wisely and happy lifting.